Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you some awesome tips that is going to help you take stunning photos on your iPhones. Let's check this out. So the first tip is you need to clean your lens. Before you start snapping pictures, make sure you give your iPhone lens a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth. A clean lens will make a big difference in the overall quality of your photo or video. The next step is to turn on the grid. The grid overlay helps you frame your shot according to the rule of thirds, a photographic composition technique that creates more visual appealing photos. To enable the grid, go to your settings and then click on the camera and then toggle on grid option, and then you are going to get the grid turned on. The next thing is you master the focus and exposure. Tap to focus on the object and you will see a yellow square appear on it. Drag the sun icon up and down to adjust the exposure, which controls how bright and dark your photo will be. The next is to lock focus and exposure. For more control, you can lock and focus exposure. Tap and hold on the object until you see AE/AF lock notification. Now you can recompose your shot without the focus or exposure changing. The next tip, which is also going to be very helpful, is to embrace light. Natural light often your best friend for iPhone photography. Try to position yourself and subject in good lighting. Avoid harsh midday sun if possible and opt for softer morning and evening lights. The next step is to edit your photos. Don't underestimate the power of editing. The built-in photo app in your iPhone has variety of tools to enhance your photos. Adjust brightness, contrast, and also saturation to create a perfect look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow all my channels, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.